Hello, dear students, welcome to the English class. In this session, we will study about letter writing. Okay, it carries 5 marks. For the second PUC syllabus, they mainly concentrated on job applications. Okay, job application comes under formal type of letter. Okay, see here, there are 2 types in letter writing. Those are formal letter and informal letter. Okay, formal letters are official letters and informal letters are personal letters. Okay, here job applications. Job application comes under formal type of letter. Why these letters called as formal letters? Because these letters contain very much formal type of language, respectful languages. So these letters are considered as formal letters and official letters. There we have to mention a respectful language. We have to use formal language. So these are formal type of letters. And informal letters are personal letters which we are writing to our relatives, to our family members. There no need to maintain some formalities. Okay, common language we are using to mention, to say something to our family members and relatives. Okay, those letters are called as personal letters. Okay, here dear students, what we studied here, that for the second PUC syllabus they mainly concentrated for the on job applications. Okay, it carries 5 marks. See, all these official letters containing 5 main parts here. According to these parts we have to deliver, we have to write a letter. Okay, first part is the heading part, second the salutation, after that the body of a letter, after that closing part of the letter, and the signature part of the letter. Like this letter, this job application contain 5 parts here. According to these parts we have to write a letter. In heading part we have to mention about from address, date and to address. After that salutation. In the salutation part we have to use the word respected sir or respected ma'am. After that subject, after that reference. This is salutation. Then after that the body of a letter. Body of a letter contained the detailed information about the application. Okay, application, which post we are applying for and what qualifications we are having, what are our merits and what is our experience, about hobbies we are writing in the body of a letter. After that closing part of a letter. In the closing part we are requesting the person which we mentioned in the to address. We are requesting that person to sanction that particular job for the person who mentioned in the from address. That is closing part, that is thanking part. There we are mentioning thank you. Okay, after that signature. Signature, yours faithfully, after that signature. Okay, like this that letter job application contains these 5 parts. According to these parts we have to write a letter. Okay, now dear students, this job application contain 2 parts here. Okay, one is letter part, one is application. After that we have to attach our resume, our qualification details to the letter. Okay, like this our job application contains 2 parts here. Okay, that is, one is application part, second is resume part. In the resume we have to write about our detailed information. Here students, this is the letter part. It carries, it contains from address, after that date, to address. This is the heading of the letter. After that, salutation. Respected sir or madam. Respected sir or madam. After that, subject and reference. This is salutation. After that, body of the letter. Here, body of the letter contains for which job we are applying and detailed information about our qualification. Okay, from which university we got that qualification and how much we scored, in which year we got passed in that in that course. All those detailed information we have to mention in the body of the letter. After that, experience. Okay, whether we are experienced or not, that also we have to mention. And about our hobbies we have to mention, and about our skills and about our merits. Which merit, different merits according along with our courses. We completed computer course also, and we are good at languages like Kannada, English and Hindi. All those things we have to mention in the body of the letter. And after that, closing part that we have to write different with paragraph differently. There we have to request the person which we mentioned in the to address to the manager. Here there is they request to sanction that job, that particular job, to that person. And after that we have to write thank you. This is thank you is closing part of the letter. After that, signature part. After writing yours faithfully, because it is a formal letter, formal type of language, respectful language we have to use here. So in this before signature we have to write yours faithfully. After that, signature. This is letter part. Okay, as I told, job application contains two parts. One is the letter part. After writing application letter, we have to attach our resume to this letter. Okay, here dear students, this is resume. Resume contains detailed information about the person who is applying for the job. Okay, here who is applying for the job? The person who mentioned in the from address. Okay, this person is applying for the job junior assistant. Okay, here he has to mention about his detailed information in resume. Resume contains 10 parts here, that is name, father name, date of birth, address, nationality, known languages, qualification and detailed information about his qualification. Then work experience, after that his hobbies, place and date. Okay, all those things we have to mention in the resume part. That also we have to attach with the application letter. Okay, this is about the job application. Now we will go through with one example job application. Okay, dear student, from your textbook we will go through with example of letter from your textbook. Okay, here in the textbook, lastly they given some question papers, previous question papers. Through that we will select one question to write an application. Okay, first we have to understand the letter. Okay, question here properly. After that it will help us to write the letter properly. Then okay, always you find letter writing, that question, particular question for, as a 30-second question. Okay, then write a letter of application in response to the following advertisement which appeared in the Hindu dated 2nd February 2014. Okay, see, in the Hindu newspaper on dated on 2nd February 2014. One job application was called. That application is like this. That wanted call for the job is like this. Prerna Pre-University College, Dharwad invites application for qualified individuals for the post of lecturer in biology. Okay, that job call was for the lecturer in biology. Apply within 10 days to apply to the secretary, Prerna Education Trust, Dharwad. Candidate with experience and good communication skill will be given preference. Okay, like this question is given. See, dear students, we have to concentrate while reading question that for which job they called. That we have to understand here. Okay, by reading question we understood that the job call was for the job lecturer in biology. Then we have to think what qualification you have to write in your letter. For the lecturer job, what qualification is needed? For the biology lecturer job, you need MSc B.Ed qualification. That you have to mention in your letter. Okay. And you have to search for the to address. To address is given in the letter itself. That you have to identify. Okay. See, after this sentence, to address is given. Which sentence? Apply within 10 days to. This is to address itself to the secretary, Prerna Education Trust, Dharwad. This is the to address for our application. Okay. Then candidate with experience. What all those things we have to mention in the body part. We have to mention about our experience. Remember, first we have to mention about course, about age and about our experience. And good communication skill in languages. We have to mention about our good communication skills will be given preference. Okay, all those merits we have to mention without forget we have to mention. Why? Because they asked for your experience and about your skills. So you have to mention these things in your body part of a letter. Okay, then you understood. See, in the reference column you have to write about the newspaper. Where did you referred about this job call? You referred about this job call in the Hindu newspaper on the date 2nd February 2014. That you have to mention in the reference column. Okay, dear students, we will go through with the example letter. Here we studied about the question in detail. Now we will study about the letter. Here, letter. Okay, it is 32nd question. For the letter we have to write from address. Okay, always there is no need to write about your names. Always for the from address you have to mention XXX for the name and YYY for the address. Okay, this is from address. This is from address, but you need not to mention here from. Directly you can write XXX and YYY. Some students are mentioning from here. No need to mention. Directly if you write XXX and YYY, it means it is from address. After from address, you have to give one line gap, how I gave here. Okay, and keep in mind that while writing application or while writing official letter, you have to follow the row. Okay, no need to write, no need to give gaps here, no need to make paragraphs here. Okay, along with this row you have to write one by one. From address, after that, after leaving one line, date, after one line, to address. See, I didn't give any gaps here. Okay, I followed this row. Attaching with this row, you have to write. Keep in mind, some students are writing from address here and to address here, after that subject here. No. Okay, you have to follow this row. First, from address, after you have to leave one line. After that, you have to write date. See students, keep in mind that the format of the date is different here. Okay, here you have to mention date in this format only. Okay, date, and you have to write the name of the month, after that year. Okay, some are writing here like this, 5/2/2014. No, this is wrong. You have to write like this. Okay, remember, after one line you have to write to address. Again, there is no need to mention to. Directly you can write the address. To address, already we selected this to address from the question. Okay, here in the question they given to address the secretary, Prerna Education Trust, Dharwad. The same address we wrote. Okay, the secretary, Prerna Education Trust, Dharwad. This is to address. We selected from the question. Then, after one line gap, we have to write salutation. This is heading of the letter. Now salutation. Salutation here, respected sir. Okay, here respected sir or madam. After one line, subject. Okay, while writing subject, you must be very much keen, because you have to write subject in single line, that is with perfectness. Okay, always you have to use this word to write a subject, that is application. Okay, you have to start your subject with this word. Application for the post of lecturer in biology. Understand? Otherwise you can write applying. Application or applying. Applying for the post of lecturer in biology. Okay, see, application. One more, if that letter is for the different job, it is for the assistant manager. See, how you are writing subject for that assistant manager job. Application for the post of assistant manager. Okay, like this you have to write the subject for the application. Okay, here for the application, reference, REF means reference. In short form I wrote, reference is compulsory. You have to write reference. Reference means where did you referred about that job or job call. Okay, you referred about the job call in the Hindu. Okay, in the Hindu newspaper. Okay, here your advertisement. In the reference you have to write about their advertisement. Your advertisement in the Times of India. Different magazines or different newspaper name they may given in the question. That particular name you have to use while writing the reference here. Your advertisement in the Times of India dated 20th January 2014. Simple. Okay, you have to start reference with this word, that is your advertisement in the Times of India dated 20th January 2014. Okay, here you have to keep in mind for the letter. See, for the letter you have to mention here. For the letter you have to mention one date here. Which date you have to write here? Here whatever the date given in the question. after 2 days. See, you heard about that job call, lecturer in biology. That job call was published in the newspaper The Hindu on 2nd February 2014. The next date of this you have to write for the letter. Here we used 5 February 2014. Okay, like that you have to take a date for the letter. See, we finished heading of the letter, salutation part. Now we are at body of the letter. Okay, this body of the letter contains nearly 2 marks. Here detailed information you have to write. What informations you have to write? About your qualifications, about your courses, about your merits, your experience and skills. All those things you have to give the information. Okay, see, always body of the letter you must start with this formal language, that is with reference to your advertisement. Understand? With reference, or otherwise you can use one more sentence, that is in response to your advertisement. Both you can use. Okay, with reference to your advertisement or in response to your advertisement. Okay, in response to your advertisement mentioned above, I would like to apply for the post of lecturer in biology. Okay, here this is called introduction part of the body of a letter. It contains 2 sentences here. Introduction part contains 2 sentences. In the introduction part you have to write and you have to say that you are applying for the post. Which post? That you have to mention in the introduction part of a letter. There, with reference to your advertisement mentioned above. You mentioned that advertisement here. Your advertisement which mentioned above, I would like to apply for the post of lecturer in biology. Okay, I would like to apply for the post of lecturer in biology. After that you have to make paragraph, because this introduction part of a letter you have to mention separately. So after this you have to make a paragraph. Okay, again this is content part of a body part. Okay, introduction part, content part, conclusive part. Okay, that body of the letter must look like this. Okay, 2 lines, after paragraph 1 big paragraph, after again paragraph, simple 2 lines. It means introduction, body of a letter or content part, introduction, content, closing part. In the introduction part you are telling that you are applying for the post. Next, in the body part you are mentioning that you are capable and you are having that particular courses, you are having that particular qualifications to apply for that post. That information you are giving. Okay, here I completed my MSc degree from Bangalore University in 2010 with 90%. Okay, already we come to know that for the lecturer in biology post we needed that qualification is MSc B.Ed. So we are giving the reference about our qualification MSc. That is, I completed my MSc degree from Bangalore University in the year 2010. Okay, see, dear students, don't worry about dates here. For the formality you are writing dates, but just concentrate on the format and about the information. Whatever the information you have to write in the body of the letter. Okay, what informations you have to write? You have to write about your qualification, you you have to write where did you get all those courses and about your skills, about your experience, that you have to mention. Then see, with 90 marks I completed my MSc from Bangalore University in the year 2010 with 90 marks. Similarly, I have passed my B.Ed. After MSc, you have to mention, because you have to show that you are qualified. Okay, you are qualified for that job. Then passed my B.Ed in Vijaya College of Education in the year 2012. After that, you have to talk about your skills. I have very good command over 3 languages, that is Kannada, Hindi and English. It shows your skill. See how you are writing about your skill. I am, otherwise I have very good command over 3 languages. I have very good command over 3 languages, that is Kannada, Hindi and English. Next, you are writing about your experience. That is, I have a good working experience as a bio lecturer from KLE College, Belgaum. See, you are talking about your experience. Still now, you are working as a lecturer in biology in KLE College, Belgaum. See, at present, see, I have a good working experience as a bio lecturer from KLE College, Belgaum. Here you mentioned about your experience. Okay, your qualification, about your skill and about your experience. Enough for the content part. Now you have to conclude your letter. Conclude part. That conclude part contains your requesting that person to sanction that job for you. That is, you are qualified for that job. See, I have enclosed my resume with this application. See, after this letter of application, I attached my resume with this application. I hope it will meet your requirements. Whatever your requirements are there for the job, my resume will going to fulfill. So, it means you kindly sanction that job for me, like that you are requesting. And thank you. It is thanking part, closing part of a letter. After that, signature part, yours faithfully, and your name, which you mentioned in the from address. From address, this is your name and this is why is your address. Here in the signature, no need to write your name or no need to do your signature. Just you mention XXX for the signature. Okay, this is application letter. Okay, as I told, job application contains 2 parts. One is application or one is letter part. After that, we have to add our resume to the letter. See, already I said resume contains name, father name, date of birth, address, nationality, known languages or language of knowledge of languages, educational qualification, experience, hobbies, place and date. Okay, once we will go through with the resume, how to write a resume for the job application here. Okay, resume. In the resume, you have to mention about your name. Okay, which you mentioned in the from address. For your name, you wrote XXX. You have to repeat that here. Then father's name. For the father's name, FFF. Then date of birth. Any approximate date of birth you have to write. Address. For the address, YYY. Already you mentioned it in the from address. That you have to write. Nationality. Always Indian. Then known languages or knowledge of languages. Your known languages. You can use English, Kannada, Hindi fluently. That you mentioned in the content part of a letter. So, known languages, English, Kannada, Hindi. After that, Educational qualification. What qualification is needed for the course? MSc B.Ed. Educational qualification MSc B.Ed, and you have to give the detailed information about these courses. See here, 4 columns you have to put. In the first column you have to write about your courses, about your degrees which you are completed. After that, from which university you took these degrees. After that, how much marks did you get in these courses. After that, in the which year you completed that particular course. All those things you have to mention in the detailed information about your qualification. See, name of the course or name of the degree. See, before MSc you completed your PUC, BSc, MSc, after that B.Ed. See, PUC you completed from the university PUED board. In PUC 85% and in the year 2005 you completed your PUC. Then BSc. After PUC you completed BSc. After that you completed MSc. After that you completed B.Ed. And that order you have to maintain here. Here BSc you completed from Bangalore University with 90% in the year 2008. MSc completed from Bangalore University with 80 marks in the year 2010. B.Ed completed also from Bangalore University with 95 marks in the year 2012. Okay, all those things, approximate date you have to mention here, because you are studying in second PUC, not yet you completed, but you have to mention approximate date as that for the bio lecturer job. Nearly that person must cross 26 age. According to his age and qualification you have to write the letter. Okay, then experience. In the experience, in the body of the letter you mentioned about your experience. The same thing you have to write here. I have 2 years of experience as a bio lecturer at KLE College, Belgaum. Okay, as a biology lecturer you worked and you are still working at KLE College, Belgaum. Work experience you have to mention in your resume, because in the question they asked for your experience. If your experience means you have to mention. Then hobbies like reading and national level volleyball player. See, if you have any hobbies means you have to mention in the hobby column, that is reading and national level volleyball player. After that, place. For the place no need to write about your place, just PPP, and for the date which you mentioned above in the letter. After from address you mentioned one date, that date you have to repeat here at the end of a letter. Okay, dear students, now we studied about job application. Job application was mainly concentrated for the second PUC students and it carries 5 marks. Here this job applications comes under formal type of letter. It contains 2 parts here. One is application part, another is resume part. Both parts you have to write to get full 5 marks. Okay, we studied in detail what that letter part contains and what that resume part contains. Here letter part contains from address, date to address. After that, respected sir, subject, reference, body of the letter, thank you, thanking part, then signature, yours faithfully signature. This is letter part or application part. After that, resume. Resume part contains nearly 10 types here, 10 columns here, that is name, father name, date of birth, address, nationality, known languages, educational qualification, experience, hobbies, place and date. All these things you have to mention in the resume. Okay, then you will get full 5 marks for the letter. Okay, dear students, it is very much easy to score full marks in the letter writing in second PUC. Okay, thank you.